Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just popping on really quick today to give you guys a week 17 update. I have lost absolute 0 pounds this week. I am stuck on 220, and I'm not saying stuck like it's a bad thing. I have no problem with not losing any weight this week because last week I had lost like almost 4 pounds. So I'm definitely not complaining. But yeah, so no weight loss this week. Nothing significant to report. I gotta tell you guys, my son pulled some pictures out of his phone. Oh my God. I had never seen these pictures before, and they were taken March of last year. Oh. All I can say is that I am so glad that I'm in the process of losing weight. I'm going to show you guys my before and afters at some point. It's pretty rough. It's pretty rough. I was like, ugh, golly. You know, just, I hate how I let myself go. I absolutely hate it. You know, I was going through some things, and I'm not going to make any excuses, but I'm going to tell you guys. At the end of, you know, I have experienced so much death in my life with my family and everything. And I don't know if I've ever shared this with you guys, but excuse me, in 2016, my son passed away. My oldest son passed away. And after that happened, I kind of just lost all interest in most things. And the weight just started to pile on. And I wasn't as attentive to myself and how I looked or how I dressed, whether I had makeup on or not. All of those things just kind of fell by the wayside. And my zest for life, just kind of left me. And that's where the piling on of the weight came in. So, you know, and then in 2020, I started getting back on track and taking better care of myself and stuff. So I lost a little bit. I lost weight at that point, pretty good amount. And I was feeling good about myself, kind of back to my old self. Not quite. I was still in the 200s, the high 200s, or the low 200s, I should say. Not quite back to my old self. My old self is about 160. So I was feeling good, looking good, you know, and doing my little dating thing, and everything was good. But then my mom passed away at the end of 2023. And that, I was devastated as well about that. So because I am a comfort eater, I was burning up those carne asada and carnita tacos. It was kind of like my everyday meal, and beer and stuff. That was just my thing. And it made me feel better in the moment. But of course, as you know, now it's a struggle, and I'm working to get that off. And you know, too, I have to ask myself, how am I going to deal with, God forbid, any other deaths in the future? I don't want to continue this cycle. So I'm gonna have to try to work on that, because as we know, it's just a part of life. These things are gonna come. So anyway, I don't know how I got on that, but anyway, you guys, that's all I have for this week. Hopefully this coming week it'll be another couple pounds. But what I have realized really quick is that my body drops weight, and then it says, okay, let's get adjusted to this new thing. Let's get adjusted. And then as the days go on, it'll drop maybe a couple of ounces. And then the following week, it'll drop like 2 or 3 pounds. So let's see if that rings true in my next updates over the next week or so. So thanks for tuning in, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.